Before there was Vogue, before Anna Wintour, before the Met Gala, there was a writer, an editor, an educator, an activist, a founder, an influencer, a century ahead of her time. Sarah Josepha Hale came of age while America itself was still being invented. Educated alongside her brother, an anomaly for her era, she learned early that women, especially mothers, didn't just raise children, they shaped democracies. Her story is one of conviction and survival.
There is no impossibility to him who stands prepared to conquer every hazard. The fearful are the failing.
In 1822, Sarah Josepha Hale was widowed, with 5 children. She tried making hats to survive, then realized she'd be better off reshaping the country. Her first book, an abolitionist work, did exactly that. It earned her a new life in Boston and made her the first female editor of a major American magazine, Ladies Magazine. From the editor's chair, Hale discovered something powerful. She didn't need to run Congress to shape the nation. She could shape the home. She understood where influence lived, around hearths, dinner tables, and family conversations.
What has made a nation great? Not its heroes, but its households.
At Ladies Magazine, later Godey's Ladies Book, Hale advocated relentlessly for women's education, because educating women, she argued, meant educating the next generation. She didn't just set opinions, she set standards. White wedding dresses? That's Hale. The polka? Hale. Recipes written for the home cook? Hale again. She wasn't following culture, she was writing it. Hale helped establish Vassar College. She founded aid societies to train women entering the workforce, complete with schools for their daughters and day nurseries for their children. Practical feminism, before the word existed. And believing fiercely in the American family, she campaigned, year after year, to create the only national holiday centered entirely around a dining table: Thanksgiving.
Americans have 2 passions, the love of liberty and the love of distinction.
Sarah Josepha Hale knew distinction when she saw it, and when she didn't, she created it. Without Hale, American literature wanders in the wilderness. She championed Edgar Allan Poe, Ralph Waldo Emerson, Henry Wadsworth Longfellow, Nathaniel Hawthorne. She promoted Susan B. Anthony. She didn't just publish voices, she curated a nation. And even if you never read her magazine, you still know her words. There would be no Mary Had a Little Lamb, no Thanksgiving, and no enduring American archetype of the strong female founder without her. There was no corner of American culture Sarah Josepha Hale didn't touch. She didn't argue that women could change the world. She demonstrated it, quietly, relentlessly, and permanently.